Spring is here, finally! It's the best time to decorate your house with fresh flowers because they just became a lot cheaper. Okay, so what to do to keep your flowers for longer? Here are some tips that I have, and I checked them twice with the florist so you can make sure they work.
Come on.
As soon as you bring them home, you need to cut the ends. Why? Because they may look like this one. This one is dry. You have no idea how long they've been cut before, and they just need a fresh start. So what you do is you cut them, but not with scissors, but with a sharp knife. Why is that? You don't want to crush the end of the flower. You don't want to do that. You need just to cut them by angle, so you will make sure they will absorb as much water as they can. So you run the water, place this under the water, and you cut. That's it, one sharp move. And that way they will absorb a lot of water, they have a fresh start, they can start drinking the water they have in the vase. Okay, so regarding the vase, you don't need to fill it all with water. So you fill it with water, you don't need much, just let's say an inch or two, which is 3 or 4 centimeters. Why? Because you need to put the endings in the water, not the whole thing. Why is that? Because if you put too much of the green stuff in the water, it will start to rotten. The bacteria will develop and the flowers will die. So basically you just put as much as you need, and remember about one important thing. You need to remove the bottom leaves of the flower, because otherwise they will get in the water and all the bacteria will develop a lot faster. Another thing is you need to change the water every single day. Also, you need to wash the vase with a detergent, and you need to sprinkle the endings of the flowers with under running water, because you need to remove the whole bacteria every day. So you just clean the endings of the flower, put the fresh water in a clean vase, and that way you can enjoy your flowers for a lot longer. But there are a few more tips about that, and let me tell you a bit more about it. Okay guys, so remember, we cut under the angle, we cut under the stream of water, and we change water every single day. But there are also some other ways to keep your flowers fresh for longer. This means you need to limit the development of bacteria, and you need to have water that will be more acidy than neutral. What you do is you can add some aspirin to the water, dissolve a bit of it, like 1/4 of a pill, and this will make water more acidy. The other thing is you can use a coin, because you need to put a little copper in there. So your cents will work pretty fine, the US cents. You just put a coin on the bottom of the vase and it will work perfectly fine. So I hope you will enjoy this spring and you'll be surrounded by these beautiful flowers. Fun fact, one tulip can grow even 10 centimeters while it's in the vase, but of course your tulip will not grow that much because you will cut it every day, just as I recommended. Okay guys, thank you very much for another episode, and please remember to subscribe my channel. Bye. Ah, that smells good.